you doing? You doing okay? You know why I stopped you? Yeah. Where are you heading to? You're not gonna get out of the car? What's up? I can't hear you, man. If you get out, you're gonna go to jail for a long time? What's going on? Okay. 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 Alright. Do me a favor, go on, step on out, alright? It's really hard to hear out here with this wind. Subjects refusing to get out of the vehicle. One or two subjects refusing to get out of the vehicle. Can you step on out? Look, man, I don't know what happened, but I just want to get all this straightened out and feel more comfortable talking to you outside the car, okay?
Hey guys, if you guys see a free moment where there's no cars, well, let's pit him. We got 1 million patrol cars here. We got an open spot. Do it.
Air 5 turning south on the boulevard. We got a unit right behind it.
Air 5 copy.
Once we do it, don't run up to him, okay? Nice and slow.
Air 5, 2 unsuccessful pits, and okay, he's going to be pitted. He's going to be on the sidewalk just south of, on the boulevard. Just south of the SLS, roll it. Air 5, 416, actually he's on foot, he's running southbound on the boulevard. Units are in pursuit. I can't go down this building.
Copy that, pursuit southbound boulevard.
Air 5, okay, he's not cooperating. He's rolled up his sleeves like he wants to fight officers. He's backing up the officers in a fighting stance. Continuing to run southbound on the boulevard. Got the light on him. Yep, watch crossfire. Units coming up northbound on the boulevard. Watch your crossfire. Guns are pointed south. He's taking off his shirt now. He's got an undershirt underneath, and he's in a fighting stance. If units can get close enough to tase.
Units watch crossfire.
Air 5, he's still backing away from units. Looks like a pretty heavy-set male.
Stop northbound Las Vegas Boulevard traffic.
Air 5, I believe we have shots fired. Real medical.
I copy, shots fired. Air 5 copy.
Once we do it, don't run up to him, okay? Nice and slow.
Okay, he's going to be pitted. He's going to be on the sidewalk just south of, on the boulevard.
Get out of the car! Get on the ground right now! Don't reach for it! Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Drop that knife! Drop that knife! You drop it! I will shoot you! Drop that knife! Drop that knife! I'm pulling back!
Okay, copy.
Drop it!
Okay, copy. Okay, copy.